I'm making another video for YouTube. Today it's not really more of a journey type deal, and I'm doing more of what I do, what I really like to do, which is finally I'm going to make some upgrades for the motorcycle right here. This is the new daily bike. Just bought this motorcycle back in December, and it took like 4 months to get like upgrades on it, but yeah, she is mine. Her name is Vario, a 2023 Honda Click V3, or as the Indonesians or Thailand or our Southeast Asian brothers call it, the Honda Vario. As you can see, there's a little bit done to it. Ones and the side mirrors. These are my old side mirrors from the Honda XRM. The decals have already been removed, and there's like a donut sticker in here, so represent donuts. For today, I did buy a couple of things. I'm too excited, so I just want to get this over with. First, we got this one. I know what this one is. This is gonna be one of my favorite things to unbox here. So. Piece of styrofoam. Is it right here? I really do hope I don't drop this. That's the one. These are what I've been waiting for. It is not half bad for the price. This is bar end side mirrors. These are cool. These remind me of those Leaf bar end things that Vespa owners have. Yeah, that's one. Here's the other one. That looks like it's not graded at all, and it's pretty wide. And this one is the one I've been looking forward to. Oh, it's so cool. These are RCB grips. I'm very picky when it comes to grips. I don't like those really intricate ones, and especially the ones that have like metal on it. It's like it's why metal? But I went with the most simplest one, and the black ran out, and I had to go with the pink one. So the pink blue is going to be the official color scheme of Vario. All right. after literally 2 hours of work, 3 hours of work for just side mirrors and it's hair and grips for this one, because this is the first time I'm trying to do bar end grips. It's actually harder than I thought it would be. I think I broke the left side for like over tightening it, but not too much to be like unusable. It's still usable, and it's, for me, it's like kind of too loose for my sanity sake. Yeah, I think I might fix this one in the future, like permanently weld this part and then the pommel part. So yeah, but ta-da! I like it. I really do like it. It stands out. Bar ends literally change the way this shit looks. I had to clean the bike though. Someone pooped on the front here. That sucks. Good, productive day. Very worth it. Very worth it. The right hand here, the RCB one here, this one for the throttle body. I think I might get a different throttle body, but for now it's decent enough. I really like it. It's just weird that it has like a little ridges, but for now it works. I like it. It gives it character. Next phase, stickers and a couple doodads that I need to change over. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was kind of a new thing for me. I did customize my first motorcycle. I did a little bit of customization for that, and this is the first time I'm doing customization for this one, and this was a bit nerve-wracking because of the bar ends, and then for the RCB momentarily not fitting, so I did a little bit of modification on that one. It may be janky, it might be weird, but it works. So alright, I haven't really started this thing up. Let's try to start this one up. Hold on for a second. Let's put the microphone in the very back.